My great-grandparents started this business in 1922. I try to work hard like everybody that came before me and honor their hard work. We've done a great job kind of as a team honing the relationships with a lot of the local dealers around here. I enjoy working with the territory reps for Unilock because we know the contractors in the area, can both talk to them, we can both build a relationship with those contractors together. It's a team effort. It's not just me doing my own thing or the territory manager doing his own thing. We work together.
They've really come on strong in the last year or so. It's not just a go in, say hello, and drop off brochures and out the door. They are involved in day-to-day operations. Job site visits. Ken Dagostino does this stuff himself.
I make myself available, so if they need me, my phone's always on.
My relationship with Ken is great. I mean, you know, he's on my speed dial and vice versa. It's basically one of these things where, you know, help me help him and back and forth.
The guys where it's a two-way street, I'm helping them, they're helping me. Those are the ones that we enjoy working with.
If he doesn't have a material, he'll source it and get it and give an honest lead time. There's changes, you know, and adapting to those changes is what you need from a dealer.